Okay, we're going to give a warm welcome right now to Hubbard's Cover. Why don't you guys go ahead and introduce yourselves?
Go ahead over there, dude. I am Kevin Williams, and I am the percussionist.
I'm Ted Cobb, and I play bass.
Mark Hodges, vocals and guitar. And we got a special dude over there.
Auxiliary member.
Auxiliary member, Travis Jones, roadie and tambourines. So,
Okay, and as Hubbard's Covered, you guys are playing tonight.
at Club Fred, we're opening up for Magister Ludi. So get out there kind of early, about 10:30.
Okay, and Fred's got a cool place to
Yeah.
play and stuff like that.
Fred's cool.
You have 2 demo tapes out that you did in your bedroom.
Yeah.
Like a bunch of
Yeah.
dinguses. I don't know why. It sounds kind of bad, but the
it's-
song's all right.
It's very poor quality. And
You got $5 to work with.
yeah, when you don't have any money, it's kind of nice to, just fool around.
Yeah. So you got something out. Are you planning on going into any studio anytime soon? As soon as you get the money out?
As soon as we get the money up.
Hubbard's Cover.
Donations welcome?
Donations are welcome.
Okay.
All right.
So, I don't know if you guys want to talk and chat about any influences, inspirations.
Everybody's an influence and everyone's an inspiration.
Go ahead and
That's
generalize.
heavy. That's heavy.
We're going to go ahead and generalize everybody.
Huh?
Well,
What?
is that a sign that you want to go ahead and just play songs and tell
I
me to
guess
shut
so.
up?
We'll talk about this first song. If my friend Tom Carla helped me write this, he wrote the lyrics. If he's out there, hey Tom, and Kevin, turn that tape player on.
Kevin, get your finger out of your nose.
Get your finger out your nose, man.
Not me, the other Kevin.
The other Kevin. This one was written by us. We were in New Orleans somewhere, and it's called "The Only Man I Can Be." You ready? I'm sitting here all alone, and I'm staring at the phone. You know, wanting to hear it ring. I'd call you up right now if I only knew where you were. Baby, you know I hurt so bad. You can't be the man that you want me to be. The only man I can be is me. I'm sorry I hurt you, baby, but you know you hurt me too. Why do I feel so blue? I'd call you up right now if I only knew where you were. Baby, you know I hurt so bad. I can't be the man that you want me to be. The only man I can be is me. I can't be the man that you want me to be. The only man I can be is me. Yeah. All right. You guys see more questions or keep us playing or what?
I don't know. You guys want to talk about hometowns and stuff like that?
Hometown Louisville.
Yeah, we're all from the small town of Louisville,
No one knows where that is, though.
home of Bill. It's not Louisville, but it's spelled like Louisville, and it's down below Augusta, about 45 miles. And
Masters.
do what? Yeah, that's where the Masters are up in Augusta this week, man. Too bad. Okay, the next song was on our second tape. It's called "Find My Way," and the name of the tape was "Bon Appetit." So I guess we're ready to go with it. Get out of the way, man.
you very much. Thank you very much. I hope you're voting for Elvis. Yeah. Let's see. Next song is it's the new tape too. It's called "Wondering Tonight."
Sound lasts forever. Music played for listeners wondering, only to see him smile. I can remember the first time I saw the strings respond, echoing with the faded light. Play a song tonight. Around the drum of darkness, I see a fire inspired, echoing through the fading light. The sky is watching. I can't help but ask him silently, keep us in his sight. Gonna play a song tonight. Gonna play a song tonight.
Let's say we want to find out a little more about your band. We know, I guess, that you originated from the underground dregs of Louisville.
Yeah. The underground scene.
Well, whose brainchild was this? Where did it all come from?
Well, I guess about 2 years ago, I started playing with Kevin, drummer, and we just kind of would mess around. We had a couple songs we'd throw around, like our first song, "Can't Find My Shoes." It's been around a long time.
Kevin,
And,
who is currently doping up on Skittles.
Yeah, and I'm looking at him like, looking at him really hard. And about last summer, we got together and we started doing the other tape. We didn't really mean to. We just kind of started taping some songs we were doing. And Ted came over one night with the keyboards, and we were sitting around, and we decided we had enough stuff to just give it to people and see what they thought about it. And we started playing, and basically it just kept going. And here we are, up in the top of this building, up all these steps.
That's when I started playing too, bass. I learned last summer.
Oh,
He
really?
didn't know how to play bass until we told him to learn.
He came over and I had a bass, and I said, "Take this home with you." And he came back and had some songs.
It was
and-
cool because let's plug the church here, FBC Church in Louisville. Most of us were in a group there, and that's where we met. And when we practiced around and got our album and all that, and we were looking to put it out, the youth minister up there, he's a really cool guy.
His name is
Bill. If you
Bill.
come tonight, you'll hear a little song about him. It's got about 5 words in it, but hey, at rock and roll.
We're gonna do that tonight at Club Fred, so you got to come out
Yeah,
and hear
see, I
it.
got to hear about Bill because
Yeah, it's just
he's cool. He's
it's
a little bald-headed,
unbelievable.
Looks like a Nazi, but he's fun.
Hey, we're going to watch it on the short guy tapes. Because you guys are not Jolly Green Giants yourselves. All right? About your tape, can
Yeah.
we go out and purchase it anywhere?
Well, okay, get the pen out right now. Okay. All right. Well, if you want a tape, come out to Club Fred and like fight over them, because we got a few, but there's not any in the stores just yet, and I don't think we have any extra copies right now, other than about 5 or 6. But write to Route 1, Box 463, Louisville, Georgia 30434. Hope you caught it.
Next song.
All right.
Is this The Bridge?
This song is called "The Bridge," and it's a song. thank you. All right, if any of you seen a guy like walking around campus and it's this redhead guy and he's like been saying Hubbard's covered, Hubbard's covered, Hubbard's covered. That's Brandon Adams and he's our manager. We don't know where he came from, but that's who that guy is. So if he starts coming after you, you can duck somewhere or whatever. I really like to thank him for helping us out. This next song was also, excuse me while I get some Coke.
Fluid kind. That's what fluid kind.
This next song was also written, the lyrics were also written by a friend of mine, Tom Carlock. Hello, Tom, again. It's called Scars Remain. Ready?
Oh yeah.
You got it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Hey, Mark.
Thunder rolls above your screen. I feel your cuts, I feel your pain. You question life's definitives, and it's all a lie to you. Are you on fire from the years, seeking credit for your fears? Look to Providence to smile upon you. Find the grace to face tomorrow. Mirrors, pills, and bottles bleed. The wounds don't heal, the scars remain. You look for serenity, but all you find is doom. Are you on fire from the years, seeking clarity from your fears? Look to Providence to smile upon you. Find the grace to face tomorrow.
I guess I don't know if this is appropriate now, but can I go ahead and ask a question?
Yeah.
Who came up with the name? Where'd it come from?
Talk to the drummer, man. I don't know him.
I did. The percussionist did. It was really just one of those days when you're sitting at home and can't
All
figure out
alone
anything else to do.
by the
and
phone.
You're just thinking of band names. So
God, I wish my band had
We
a
were
name.
we were going to be
Actually,
called
probably PBS had a large influence on it. I don't know.
we were going to call ourselves Spam and the Atomic Toe Jam, but nobody else would go for that. I came up with that one, and then we had some weirdo want to call us the False Chinch Bugs, and I didn't.
That's a real insect, dude.
It's some kind of cotton insect or something, South Georgia kind of thing.
Hubbard's Cupboard just kind of flows then.
It's Hubbard's Cupboard.
Nice and compact and.
Well, ask us if you want a good question. Ask us where we got the title of the next song. Green elephants look like kudzu. That's a story.
Well, why don't you just go ahead and tell me?
Okay. Okay. We were up in North Georgia, and our good friend Bill, who's inspired so many songs, we were up in North Carolina on a rafting trip, and he kept saying that kudzu and the trees look like green elephants, and basically that's where it came from, and that's about it.
Never would have believed it.
You never would have believed it?
Wow.
All right.
Kind of weird.
Well, yeah, you'd have to be kind of
You had
weird.
to be there, sort of.
You had to be there, but hey.
Every now and then we see green elephants.
Y'all ready?
Green elephants look like kudzu, and all I can do is sit and smile. Green elephants look like kudzu, and all I can do is sit and smile. Sentries all day, that's all they can do. Sit around, hang there a while. Green elephants can't live in our zoo, 'cause they're all around, abound for miles. Green elephants look like kudzu, and all I can do is sit and smile. They're taking over. Just take a look around the town. In any shape, form or foul, they get real hungry and eat things right up. Possibly your own domicile. One more time, guys. Green elephants like kudzu, and all I can do is sit here and smile. Ow.
All right.
You want to do
Yes,
two
sir.
more? You have room for two more?
Yeah, we got two more, dudes. Two more. You don't have to fit with us much longer. Line the red line.
Okay.
This is our disco song.
Yeah, the Bee Gees inspired this on it.
Bee Gees inspired this.
They have a box set.
Know that?
Yeah, the Bee Gees have a box set. All right.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get this beginning. If the beginning screws up, forgive us.
You see life and then you take it. Take it for what you cannot see. All the tears we cry forgiveness, and it's so that we can't keep. All through life we might just shake it, and our turns might come to be. And in the night we always worry, and our innocence us flee. Just a line, the red line. Just a line, the red line. You just a line, the red line. Well, I once thought that I was crazy. Then I saw it was just me. Trust is only second nature when you expect it all for free. And I got tired of words of wisdom. Tried not to get too deep. It all came back too soon for late time. Anything now to find some sleep. Just a line in the red line. You're just a line in the red line. You're just a line in the red line. Just a line in the red
still got tambourine.
Joy, joy.
Join, join.
All right, our last song, I guess. I guess it's a surprise. I wasn't
Surprise.
expecting it. This is a cover by.
Well, we'll introduce it, man.
Okay.
We got a special.
Okay, I'll
intro.
get out of here.
Hey. Oh, you can go ahead.
I know when I'm not wanted.
Go ahead.
I'll just lay off. It's your show.
I'm sorry,
Oh, really?
man. I didn't mean
Your
to.
studio, your equipment.
Didn't mean to. We're obnoxious. What? Oh no, you. You ready?
No more sugar.
No more sugar.
Intro.
This is a song by Johnny Cash. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Drummer.
I hear the train a-coming all around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. I hear that train a-going down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I bet there's rich folks in a fancy dining car, carpet and smoking big cigars. I know I had it coming. I know I can be free. It's a moving, and that's what tortures me. They freed me from this prison. That railroad train was mine. You bet I take it on a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison is where I want to stay. And I let that lonesome whistle roll my tears away. Thank you very much. Come see us at Club Fred, Magister Ludi, tonight.
Well, I'd like to thank you guys for coming up, hiking up the 5 flights of stairs. You are playing at Club Fred tonight.
Yes.
Opening for Magister Ludi.
Magister, whatever. We're not sure how to pronounce that.
Whatever.
But thanks for coming by, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. So, hope you have a good
All right. Thanks for letting us come, man. Fun.